Watch your fingers. Mama's gonna do it.
Maddie, can you say hi, Grandma?
Hi, Papa Joe.
Hi, Papa Joe. Can you say hi, Grandma?
Hi, Grandma.
Say, how's Tennessee?
Hi, Tennessee.
What else is in Tennessee?
Hi, Papa Joe.
Yeah, do you remember what you did last time you were in Tennessee? Where did you go? It was wet and full of water.
Focused on the present.
Here, watch your hand. Okay, can we get it open?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Look at that.
Cool, dude. That's bubble wrap. Let's see what else is in here.
Whoa, Maddie, look at that.
A full horsey.
It's your horsey from Tennessee.
A full horsey.
What's that?
Hi.
Green bear.
A full
And look,
horsey.
look what popped out. Ooh.
Look at this. Look at this.
Yeah, like here, you want to read the cards? They have shamrock? Nope, no cards. Wow. Oh, look. Huh? This is for Daddy. And this is for Mama. All right. This is for Maddie. Pretty.
It's an Irish Christmas.
Look.
It's stuck?
They're two different necklaces, see?
Are those little shamrocks?
Oh, and look at these.
Whoa, Maddie.
I'm like, what are these? You want to try one?
Yeah.
Cool.
Wow. Maddie, smile.
Cheese.
Cheese.
You want to do your hat? Look at this hat. Ooh, that's letter opener for Daddy.
Woohoo.
Hat.
Then look at this.
That's for Daddy. That's for Daddy for his letters.
You-
All right. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, look. Oh, Maddie. Who's that?
Bye-bye.
That's a bear. Oh, what are those? Oh, jackpot. Oh, have a happy St. Patrick's Day. We love you, Grandma and Papa Joe. And look, here's a real four-leaf clover.
Wow, Maddie, you got a real shamrock?
Maddie, look.
A four-leaf clover?
That's a real clover. Let's keep it in the bag. We'll keep it. Just look. Cool.
Oh, pretty, Maddie.
Back to the stickers.
That's a lucky four-leaf clover, Maddie. That a girl? And your belly button?
This is David.
Cool. These are some cool hats.
Look, Maddie, this is Tennessee NASCAR style. Let's open this up. Oh.
Oh, bubbles. Pop, pop.
My turn.
Your turn? Okay, here, you squeeze them real hard.
Whoa. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. Whoa!
Yeah.
Whoa! Whoa! Woo! 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 Doing pops. Woo! 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 All right, Maddie, say bye-bye, Grandma. Say bye-bye, Papa Joe.
Papa Joe.
Say thanks for all the presents. Thank
Say
you.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Say bye today.
Atta girl. All right. Over and out.